Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a little penguin. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a little penguin. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. We're gonna start in the middle of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do is a little beak, and we're gonna start with a curve and then a line underneath. And we're gonna repeat the shape now to the other side. So we're gonna do a curve, and this curve is gonna come in a little bit. It's gonna leave a little bit of space on each side. Next, we're gonna do the eyes. This is a cartoon character and it has big eyes and a big head and a small body. Okay, I want to do the same, about a finger space, and then we do the eyes. Okay, now we're gonna do his eyes bright and big, so we're gonna do a couple circles inside. I want to start here on the top. We're gonna do the bigger circle inside, and then we're gonna do two more inside. And the last one is a little bit smaller. And these ones we're gonna color at the end with the markers. We're gonna leave it like that for now. Now let's continue with the face. I'm gonna go here from the peak and I'm gonna go around the eye. So we're gonna do kind of like a V U shape. Comes down and stop when I pass the eye. Now let's go on the other side, the same thing. We are going to go around. And I stop right there, okay? Now from here, I want to extend my lines a little bit more diagonal. So I want to go down, diagonal, and down, diagonal. Okay, and I want to leave it at the same distance. To close this, I'm going to start on the left side and I want to go one little line. I want to do a bump that is going to be the start of the scarf he's wearing. So we're just going to do kind of like a half a circle, and then we can continue with the line. Before I continue down here, let's finish the head. We're gonna trace a line that goes from side to side around the eyes area like this. Okay, I wanna pass my two U shapes a little, and then we're gonna do 1 and 2 curves. 1 and 2 curves. This is the base of the toque. Now we're gonna close with a curve up here. There. The top of the hat, I'm just gonna do a half a circle in the middle. So we're gonna go in here a little. We're gonna do a half a circle and connect with the other side. And for the top part, I'm just gonna do a couple U shapes, and these U shapes can be different sizes. The one in the middle is gonna be the biggest one, and I wanna continue going down again. So I'm gonna leave the toque like that. Now let's finish the head. We're gonna start on this side, and I'm just gonna do a curved line that goes around the same curves I did. Around the same curves. Now let's do the scarf. We're gonna start with this part that we did a bump here, and we're gonna do down and down. And this line is a little curvy. We're gonna do a little bit of a movement. And I want to close this part while waggling my line. And we're going to close the bottom by doing a curvy line. And now we can do the end of the scarf by doing U shapes right here. Now here on the top, we're going to do a line that is going to cross both the lines that I just did. And at the end, I want to do a curved line and a curved line. And then we're just gonna join them from side to side, and I imagine this one pass in behind and connect with this one. And if your lines move a little, that's okay. It's fabric, so we don't want to be like really straight. We want actually to have a little bit of movement. Next, we're gonna continue with the body. Now let's draw the little hands. They're gonna come out of here, 1 and 2. And now for the body, we're gonna go in a little here. We're gonna go down, and then we're gonna start curving, going around, going back up. And I'm gonna do a second line for the little tummy, and this line is just gonna go around the scarf, going back up. The last thing we're gonna do is to draw the little feet, and we're just gonna do 1 and 2 U shapes, and these one are pointing 1 to the left and 1 to the right. And there, that's it. We finished this little penguin that is enjoying the winter, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the penguin turned out with the colors. I decided to color the penguin in blue colors, and if you see the coloring part, I went with a very dark blue here, and then I choose a lighter blue to blend it a little bit. I did the same thing with the yellow. I went with a very dark, kind of like orange, brownish yellow, and then I add a light yellow, and I try to blend those two colors. And you know, you can change all the colors in the hat and in the scarf. You can use your imagination to finish your picture. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.